Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's double box break number 664 of 1314 UD Ultimate. Last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on August 21st at 8:24 p.m. Eastern Time. Current day and time. Load, it's currently Friday, August 22nd at 12:18 a.m. Eastern Time. So 664. And these are boxes 3 and 4 from our case, so we don't have any serial numbers because we listed our break before we open our case. So we'll post the UD break, I think it's 663 below, so people reference the box numbers that were not in it. The serial numbers shown were 22114989 2746. Actually, this is going to be a lot easier to just show you guys the seals on these. They're sealed. They are sealed all the way around, so I'll turn you guys around here. I'll show you a serial number. We'll get started, so good luck everyone. Two 746 is our first one. So here we go. So we have a Ben Bishop, $4.99 for the Lightning. Bishop. We have a Ultimate Rookies of Josh Levo, $4.99 for the Maple Leafs. And a Ultimate Signatures out of $3.99 of Radko Gudas, 87 of $3.99 for the Lightning. And the 3-color debut threads patch for the Boston Bruins, Dougie Hamilton. All the Dougies. How are you doing, Daryl? And on to the next one. Number 6/9. Oops. Sorry, the pack just ran away. There, I'm just going to quickly show you guys the camera. So there's not another pack sitting there hiding or anything like that. I'm not doing a quick bait and switch or anything. Pack kind of flew out. So here we go. So we have a Jaromir Jagr base, $4.99 for the Devils. We have a Ultimate Rookies. Yeah. If I was a scammer, I would show my whole working area, Tom. We have a Jonas Brodin, $4.73 of $4.99 for the Wild. Yeah, that baseball case Daryl did was pretty good. And we have ourselves a Group B Ultimate Signatures from 11/12 of Jordan Eberle. For the Edmonton Oilers. Nice hit there. And a Ultimate Rookie jersey of Sean Monahan for the Calgary Flames. So that concludes the break, guys. So should be getting a lot of nice stuff that we haven't hit. Our 97, our patch auto, masterpiece. I think those are the 3 main ones and a whole bunch more patches. So we got 5 and 6 tomorrow and double prime.